You are about to learn from Wani Tech Space.
So on your Facebook, do not log in into the app, not even on the web browser you are going to use to fix this. So make sure you have already logged out all Facebook accounts on your phone. Now go to your browser. I am going to use Chrome. You can use any other browser for this. All browser works. On the browser app, before you open it, hold it down and select App Info. Then it takes you to the details of the app. Go to Permission and you click on Camera, set it to Allow. Go back, click on File and Media, set it to Allow. Go back, click on Location and set it to Allow. Now you can go back and simply close the settings and open the browser directly in the usual way. So I am using Google search engine, and let us search for Facebook support. Then we will click on facebook.com with Help Center. The Facebook Help Center opens. Click on this section, Login and Password, and it lands you in the Facebook account recovery page. Scroll down and you will see these three bold menus. The one we need is Recover an Account. And in the case where you don't have this Recover an Account menu like this, you can just go to the search button to search for Recover an Account, and it takes you in there. Under Recover an Account, you will see a bunch of different solutions here, and our concern is this one here that captures almost everything related to this Facebook login issue. It says, recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account email address or mobile phone number. This option works for you either your account has been hacked and you want to recover it, or maybe the issue is you have lost your email or you have lost your phone number and you need to reset a new password to access your Facebook account. This option works for all. When you expand the option and you scroll down a little bit, you will see two hyperlink texts. The first one says, reset your password. It works for you if you have access to your email or you have access to your phone number. And if you don't have your email, you don't have access to your phone number, we are going to use the second hyperlink text. I will show you how to use these two sources to recover your Facebook account. And even in the case where you are stuck at the common problem of try another device, I will still show you how to fix things out. To begin with the first one, I will use reset your password. Click on that. All we need from here is the option that says, to help keep your account safe, you can only reset your password a certain number of times a day. So let us click on it. When that opens up, you will see two hyperlink texts that can be confusing. The first one says resetting your password. Please ignore this. Don't use this. And when you scroll down a little bit, you will see the other one that says reset your password. That's the one we need. Click on it. This takes you to the next page where you will need to find your Facebook account. Input your phone number here. And if you don't have your phone number, use the button that says search by email address instead. When you click on that, then you input your email address. But in case you don't have your phone number, you don't have your email address, you don't have anything, then click on the email address option. Just type your Facebook name or your Facebook username exactly as it is on your Facebook account. Then continue. So it takes you to where you can see different Facebook accounts with names that look like your name. So you need to carefully watch out for the name and the profile picture that is yours. But let us hope there is no hacker that has changed your profile picture yet. So you can use your profile picture to identify your own account. And in case you search all the way down and you cannot find your Facebook account here, go to the three-dot menu at the top, and sometimes, depending on your phone, you can see the three dots below your screen. Just click on the three-dot menu and go to desktop site. Turn it on or check the box. Immediately you are on the desktop view, it may require you to put in the name again, and now you click search. This time, because you are already on desktop view, what this does is that it allows you to see the option that says, I am not on this list. So when you click on that button, it takes you to where you can use the name of a friend on your Facebook account. I mean, a friend that is on your Facebook friends list. Input the name of your Facebook friend, and from there, the system will use your own name and your friend's name to find your account for you. And straight up, Facebook has sent a code into my WhatsApp, so I need to use that code to continue. This is because I already connected my WhatsApp account into my Facebook, so it's easy for the Facebook system to connect to my WhatsApp to recover my account. And in case you don't see this and you don't have this WhatsApp option here, then you just click on Try Another Way. Then you click on See More. The option that says Get Code via Facebook Notification. This option works when you already have your Facebook account working on another device. So you can use that to get a notification from your Facebook account on that other device for you to continue with the same account on this current device you're using now. So just select what works for you from here and then you continue. When you are stuck at the Try Another Device to continue, I will show you what to do later at the end of this video. Now, you remember how we landed at the Facebook Help Center and we click Login and Password, and quickly we go to recover an account, or you search for it if you don't have it as a button down here. And then we go into this option, and this time, let us click on the one that works for people who don't have email or phone number. So we take the case as if the account has been hacked. So we click on this second hyperlink text. Now, it is advised that you should do this on a device that you have used for your Facebook account before. But if you don't have that, maybe you got a new phone and you have never used your Facebook account on this device. You don't worry, this will still work for you. But before we continue, you click on the three-dot menu like we did for the first option, and you go to select desktop site. Check on that box. Now click Next. On the Find Your Hacked Account page, you need to enter your phone number that is connected to your Facebook account, or you try to search by email address if you have your email address that is connected to your Facebook account. Since there is no phone number, there is no email, use your Facebook name as it is, or your Facebook username as it is. This will bring the account for you. Check the name again and see if it matches your profile picture. Let us hope there is no hacker that has changed your profile picture yet. So when you're sure of the account here, you click Recover. When you encounter the popular issue, Try Another Device, don't worry, I will show you how to fix that later in this video. On the complete security steps to recover this account, click on Recover. Then on the Choose a Way to Recover, you select the option that says Take a Video Selfie. Make sure you are in a place where there is good lighting for your face, either natural light from the sun or a bright artificial light. Now you need to choose a new email address to log in. So input the new email address you want to use. If you have one, use it here. If you don't have an email address, you can go to create a new one. Although I don't advise brand new email for this, except you wait for some days later. For this error, we can't validate this email address. It's a problem that happens when you are using an email that is dormant and not working. Or you may also get this error when you are using an email that has not been in use for some time. Maybe because the email is still very new, so it may not work. Most importantly, make sure the email you want to put in here is active, then you click Continue. Facebook will want to validate your email, so check your email for the code that has been sent to you. Copy that code and put it in here to continue. Next, choose how your selfie is reviewed. I recommend you choose face recognition technology. That works very well and it is very fast. Click Start Selfie and follow the instructions for your face positioning, blinking of your eyes, and turning of your head. When everything looks good and okay, submit your video selfie. If everything is successful, it will take about 48 hours. So watch out for the notifications from Facebook and expect their emails as well. When Facebook approves your request, they will give you a new link for you to reset your password and reactivate your Facebook account. Try Another Device issue. Let us fix that very quickly. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Facebook app. Click on Facebook so you can see full details of the app. Look out for app support and expand it. There are two email addresses here. Click on the first one that is under email button and it should take you to your default email app. On the recipient field, click on this drop-down so you can add another email as a copy. The CC means copy, so you will put the second email address in the copy field. For the subject, let's use can't login issue. Please help. To compose the main body of the email, you can pause the video to screenshot this and take it exactly as it is, or better still, I will put it in the description of this video so it will be easy for you to use it for your purpose. You are free to copy it exactly as it is, or you can change things just the way you want. Make sure you have already taken the screenshot of the error message displayed. Then go to the clip button to attach the error screenshot as a file, or you attach it as a photo. Once you are done attaching the file and you read through again and you can see everything is perfect with no mistakes, then you can send your email. It takes a couple of days for Facebook to get back to you via the same email address you are using to send this email to them. Please subscribe here and remember to give this a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.